what an amazing location. Yes, right now I am in Jackson Square. I want you to take a look around. So look at the location. This is super busy location, and especially on the other side of the restaurant, there's another entrance which is from the King Street, and you can also enter from the mall. So this is Everest Tandoori Kitchen on sale. I'm pretty sure you want to see it inside, and there's so many amazing features. Let's go see inside. So this is one of the entrances, and there is a second entrance from there, and there's a third entrance from inside the restaurant. I want you to take a look from inside now. So this is another entrance. You can also come from the King Street from here, and there is another entrance. So total there are 3 entrances to this beautiful restaurant. So you can also come from here. First of all, when you walk in from here, you have a separate party room. So you can do your small events, kids party or a small engagement party. It's perfect for it. And this is the main restaurant. That's the reception area. And yes, it is LLBO licensed. So this is where they cater the buffet area, and there's a lot of sitting area here as well. It's almost 3,200 square feet, and this beautiful restaurant rent is very low, approximately $5,000 per month. Guys, this is an amazing location in the mall, and as I said to you, there is 2 different entrances from the King Street as well. It's a huge kitchen inside with a very good size hood. There is 8 stove burner, there is 3 jets, fryers, 1 walk-in cooler, 1 walk-in freezer as well. So take a look on this side too. Even if you have more than 1 party, you can easily manage, because we have buffet place, we have 1 party room and 2nd party room. There is 2 washrooms for the clients, and there is 1 extra washroom inside too. This is an amazing opportunity because I'm going to share with you the price of this restaurant. It's a sale of business just for $249K. You cannot go wrong. If you have a passion to open a restaurant, this is the right location for you.